Hello crafters. Today we're going to cover several different lessons in Inkscape. First we're going to cover how to create a circle monogram. When you open up Inkscape, go to your text, create text tool. Then you're going to type in your monogram or your word. Go to your selector tool and size your text. Double click on that word or monogram. Go up to your pull down, drop down window and select your font. When you're creating a circle monogram, it's best to select a bold font. Once you get your font selected, go to your selector tool again. You may have to readjust it. Now you're going to create a circle. Go to your circle, create circles tool. You're going to click and drag and hold down your control so you can create a perfect circle. Click on your selector tool. Move that circle on top of your monogram in Word. And now you may have to adjust your word again, your text again. You want your text to touch 4 points of the circle, top, bottom, left, and right. Once you get it sized to where you want it, draw a box around it to select both elements. Go up to Object, Clip, Set, and there's your circle monogram. Now, if you want a circle around your circle monogram and put text around the circle monogram, I've covered that in a previous video, how to create arch text. But I wanted to show you something else you could do also. Create another circle. Click and drag, hold down Control. Once you get your circle created, select your tool. Then you're going to right click, go down to Fill and Stroke. Once you get to Fill and Stroke, here's your width of your line width of your circle. So you say you wanted a thicker line width. Let's change this to 0.25. It makes your circle line thicker. Okay? Then here you can change this from a solid line to dashes. Then maybe you want a purple background. Now you can resize this. Send it to the back. And you've created your own monogram. Okay. Now we're going to cover something else using the fills. Select your text. Go down to Fill and Stroke again. right here at the top where it says stroke paint. Click on that. You want flat color. Select flat color. Now you're going to go to stroke style. Let's use 0.10. Now go to fill and say no paint. You can do this with any font. You can take a font and change it to only the outline. Okay, that's covered in Inkscape. I want to also show you can create a circle monogram in Design Space. Same principle. Do the exact same thing. Just remember you want to touch in top, bottom, left and right. Draw a box around it. Right click, slice. Now you're going to remove the parts you don't need. There's one circle monogram. There's another circle monogram. That's a part you don't need. You can delete. And if you like this, you can even use this centerpiece. But let me show you how it's best to use the centerpiece in a way that'll make it look better. Go to Insert Shape. Now we're going to change the color of this circle. Now you have 3 different monograms from one image that you've sliced in Design Space.